everybody. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Georgette. What's up? It's January 2nd, guys. The second day of this amazing new year. And guys, are you working on those goals and dreams and desires? Guys, you got to work on your goals every day. It's with repetition that you achieve those goals. So today I want to talk about our money mindset real quick. And so guys, if you're new to me and haven't subscribed, please wait till the end and smash that subscribe in for me. Please like, share, and put your notifications on, guys. And so let's talk about our money mindset because, our money mindset is not ours. That's what's been handed to us from a kid. You grow up in a household where you hear money doesn't grow on tree and you want everything. You can't have that. We can't afford that. And so many beliefs that I have had that now that I'm reprogramming my mindset, that I'm like, wow, that is from way back when. What I heard my parents said, my parents' parents said, my parents' friends said, my friends' parents. Go over to their house and you hear them say the same thing. Wow, I just got paid and I have no money. Money doesn't grow on tree. I can't afford that. You can't have that. And you realize that the money blueprint that you have and the money mindset that you have, it's not truly your own. So you can change that at any time. And another thing I grew up, I always believed back then that rich people are bad and that they're greedy and that they're not nice people. That is something that was passed down to us all. Always think that rich people, they're flashy. If you see someone with a flashy car, you think that they're flashy, they're mean, they're horrible, they're greedy. But those are just beliefs that have been passed on to us. You see, you got to be ready to change that. And as we're in a new year, you will not come into money if you have those beliefs. You got to change those beliefs. So what is the opposite of a person is greedy or mean or a bigot? Whatever you think of a rich person, change that to the opposite. And that's when you then will start to attract for yourself more money in your life. Yeah. So many things. Oh my gosh, I can go on and on and on and on and on. Money burn. Oh gee, this money in my pocket, burning hole in my pocket. And so what that does, it doesn't matter how much money you come into, you will find something to spend the money on. Have you noticed some people, it doesn't matter how much they're paid. It doesn't matter how much. If they get a raise, they will find something to spend the money on. So you're working and you get $2,100 per month and you have your rent, you have all your bills, and then you get a $500 raise and then you find something else to spend it on. Whether you take a trip, whether you buy clothing, but you find another thing each month to add to your expenses. Yes, it's the money mindset that we have. Now you have to just flip that and just think a different thought around money, that money is good. I can invest this extra money I am earning. Yeah? You see, it's the mindset. It's the mindset. And you have to start journaling and writing things down. You have to invest in yourself to learn how to now flip that mindset that you've been raised into. It's not yours. It is not your money blueprint. It's what's been handed to you. And so the very thing that's been told to you, flip that and say the opposite. Flip that and write the opposite down. And each day practice the opposite. Money doesn't grow on tree. Say, yeah, money grow on tree. Money's easy to come by. I thought I needed all sorts of degrees to make money. I thought that, and if I didn't have these particular degrees, I would not earn a substantial amount of income. Now I know better that that is not true. You do not need these degrees to make a high income, to make lots of money. You don't. And I learned that. On my journey, I'm going to leave a link below for you guys to click on, and you will learn so much about your mindset, about your money mindset, about your poverty mindset, about your prosperity mindset, and how to now move from the poverty thinking and move into abundant thinking. Because if you think a certain way about money, you will never attract a lot of money into your life. And if you do come into some money, you will find ways of getting rid of the money. And when I say that, you will find ways. I've seen persons like in the club, when I used to club, just buy drinks for everybody. So you get a little couple, some people get a little extra raise or a little extra bonus, and they come in the club or wherever it is, and drinks is on me. Why? Is that they believe they have to get rid of the money. I've seen people, and as I think about, I've seen persons got raised, got a bonus, and they would just go out shopping immediately or take a trip and go shopping, and then all the money is gone. It's the money blueprint. It's the money mindset that you have. And so the program I'm going to leave below, it really teaches you to move from poverty thinking to abundance thinking. It really teaches you about money. Because if you think a certain way about money, you will never have money. Money will come into your hand and go. Have you ever noticed anybody who has won the lottery that within 2 years they are back broke again? Go and look at the statistics for persons who have won the lottery. Within 2 years max, they're broke again. And so how to move from the poverty thinking to abundance thinking is the very thing that you think about money, the very words that you're saying about money. You have to change those negative words, those negative talks, those negative thoughts about money. So any form of negativity around money that you are saying right now, that you are thinking right now, you have to change that. If you think that you can't afford something, flip the script, flip that. And say, at this present moment, that's not a priority. I will get that after I take care of my priorities. So you see, we can't afford anything that we want in our lives. We can. I always hear my mentor say that. We can't afford anything that we truly want. But if it's not a priority, then just say that. So instead of limit yourself, you change the thoughts, you change the money talk, you change the money mindset. How do you think if a person should drive up right now in their nice Rolls Royce, a flashy guy, and he has money, he has the nice jewelry? How do you think about that person, that they show off who he think he is, she thinks she is? No, instead be happy for that person. Say, wow, that's a lovely car. That's my dream car. I learned all of these things because I too at one time used to think that people are flashy and they're so show off. But some of the richest persons are very, very humble, very kind, have a lot of charities. You see, it's the money mindset that we have. It's a poverty mindset, and you got to change that poverty mindset. It's in the link below. It's a step-by-step guide, and it's amazing the knowledge you will gain from that. Your money mindset, I will say this again, it's not yours. That's what you've been raised to think. You can choose to think a different thought around money. You can choose to start saying different words around money. And you constantly now practice the opposite of what you've been taught, the opposite of what you've always been saying, and change your money mindset. And that's the only way you yourself will start to attract a lot more money. So guys, I'm not going to be long. It's your girl Georgette. If you're new to me, this is the time to smash in on the subscribe, like, share, put your notifications on. I bring you a video every day. And keep watching, guys. I'm going to leave videos popping up. Keep watching, and I do pray and hope that I can inspire you and motivate you each time you watch my video. The link below has a step-by-step guide about the money mindset, the poverty mindset, the prosperity mindset. It's in the link below, and I'm going to also leave your free gift in the link below. It's your girl, Georgette. I'm sending you a whole lot of love and light and all the best to you in 2021. Mwah! Bye-bye.